Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the most recent iteration of the Galaxy Fold lineup. The phone recently received the Android 13 update. However, it seems that some are facing issues related to battery performance of the device. According to reports, users are facing problems with poor battery life or increased power drain on Android 13. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Some are skeptical about updating to Android 13 due to the adverse claims of battery issues. Fortunately, there are a few potential workarounds that can help improve battery performance. Adjusting settings such as reducing screen brightness, turning off 5G, switching to light performance mode, and reducing the display refresh rate have helped users get better battery backup. Some have also reported that resetting the device to factory settings and starting fresh with Android 13 has resolved the issue for them. It's worth noting that battery life can be affected by various factors, including the type of apps being used, the settings, and the usage patterns. Hence, it is possible that poor battery life reported by some may not be related to Android 13. It is also important to go through your battery usage graphs to see if there is anything abnormal. Samsung has not officially commented on the matter, and it's unclear if a fix will be released in the future. We'll update an article about this matter as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.